A muscle fiber is wrapped in an elongated, multi-nucleated cell that are found in a muscle tissue, and here each pencil represents a muscle fiber.
Endomysium is the layer that surrounds each muscle fiber. It consists of fine areolar connective tissue and contains capillaries, nerves, and lymphatics. And in this lab, tissue paper is used to represent endomysium. Endomysium is the layer that surrounds each muscle fiber. It consists of fine areolar connective tissue and contains capillaries, nerves, and lymphatics. And here, tissue paper is used to represent endomysium. Endomysium is the layer that surrounds each muscle fiber. It consists of fine areolar connective tissue and contains capillaries, nerves, and lymphatics. Here, tissue paper is used to represent endomysium.
Fascicle is a bundle of muscle fibers, and when a group of pencils are wrapped in endomysium, it represents a fascicle.
Perimysium surrounds every fascicle. It is made up of fibrous connective tissue and protects and supports. It's also responsible for shaping and organizing the muscle fibers. And this white paper is used to represent the perimysium. Perimysium surrounds every fascicle. It is made up of fibrous connective tissue and protects and supports. It is also responsible for shaping and organizing muscle fibers. And here, a white piece of paper is used to represent the perimysium.
Fascia is composed of primary of collagenous fibers. Is a thin sheet of fibrous tissue enclosing a muscle. Each fiber, a bundle in muscle, is encased by fascia, provides structural support and protection. And here, the blue piece of paper represents the fascia.
Epimysium covers each muscle. It's made up of dense, irregular connective tissue, and it acts as a sort of buffer that protects muscle from rubbing into bones and other muscular fibers. It also promotes smooth movement in the limbs and most joints. And here, the wrapping paper is used to represent the epimysium.
Once the wrapping paper is wrapped around the fascia, it represents a muscle, and a muscle consists of many muscle cells, connective tissue wrappings, blood vessels, and nerve fibers. And as here, it's the total of all the wrapping papers combined.
Epimysium covers each muscle. It is made up of dense, irregular connective tissue, and it acts as a sort of buffer that protects muscle from rubbing into bones and other muscular fibers. It also promotes smooth movement in the limbs and most joints. And here, this wrapping paper is used to represent epimysium.
After you wrap the epimysium and after you wrap the fascia with the epimysium, it becomes a muscle, and a muscle consists of many muscle cells, connective tissue wrappings, and blood vessels and nerve fibers. And here it's when the epimysium covers the fascia.